Dr. Funk. You would be forgiven if you thought this drink was named after a member of some terrible Rick James tribute act who you'd find on one of those ghastly talent TV programs from the 90s. In reality, it's actually named after a German physician called Dr. Bernhard Funk, whose patients included Robert Louis Stevenson whilst he was in Samoa. Any of you wondered my whereabouts last week? I've been working hard, doing it at my house as I'm planning to sell it. So excuse the set if you can see bits of white paint everywhere. It has been an absolute nightmare. The ingredient lineup: rum, I'm going for a split here, a blackstrap rum, I'm using Goslings, and a Rhum Agricole, Absinthe, Demerara Syrup, fresh lemon juice, fresh lime juice, Grenadine, and soda water, which I conveniently forgot to put here or include in the recording. And make sure you have some. To kick this one off by adding the Goslings, we want around 1 1/4 ounce of this, so that's going to be around 37.5 ml. I'm following this up with the most unergonomically built bottle, and this is our Rhum Agricole. I'm going to be adding 1 ounce of this, that's 30 ml. I'm going to carefully add our Absinthe, so that's going to be 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml. I'm then going to add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Grenadine. Then 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of Demerara Syrup. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. Lastly, add to this 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Ice and give this a good shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. This cocktail was created by Don Beach in the 1950s at his Palm Springs Don the Beachcomber bar, and it was named after the physician who I mentioned earlier, Dr. Bernhard Funk. Then I'm going to strain this into a Pilsner's glass, which is half full of pebble ice. You can use crushed ice. And you want to add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of soda water, which I haven't done here, and I remembered at the end, but make sure you give this a stir with a spoon. Top this off with some more ice, then garnish with some mint. Taste test. I don't often get excitable on here or rant and rave about how amazing things are, but this is up there for me. If you know me well, Mai Tais and the Negronis always have a place in my heart, but this is elite tier for me. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 6 out of 10, and that's a hill I'm prepared to die on. The rum split works excellent together. Initially, I was dreading adding the Absinthe, as I find it has a tendency to be overbearing with other ingredients, but it gives a drink a slight cough syrup taste. The citrus split, excellent. It's an underrated combo. The syrup and the Grenadine works well, then you get that little bit of a fizz from the soda water. If you have the ingredients at home to make this drink, please make it, or if you see it on the menu, try it. It's absolutely excellent.